Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox this cheap mechanical keyboard. I got it on sale for only 13 bucks. So yeah, let's get into it. First off, the packaging. The packaging is pretty good though. For some reason I thought they put it in a plain cardboard box, then wrap it some bubble wrap, but I was wrong. But for some reason the seller put tape in the main box. I carefully removed the tape to prevent ripping out the cover of the box. But it's already bent, so opening the box, you will saw a free Keycap puller, a wrist pad, and the Gigaware K28 mechanical keyboard. Keyboard and the wrist pad is covered in plastic. The keyboard itself has two foams to avoid moving inside the box. The armrest is made out of plastic, but what do you expect though? Looking at the keyboard, you have some smooth finish on top, and the keycaps are made out of cheap ABS plastic. This keyboard uses blue clone switch. When you look closely, it will say orange. I tried to search for the name, but I didn't see anything. On the side of the keyboard, we have some wood, kinda like texture. I tried to bend this keyboard and it doesn't bend, which is a good sign for good housing. Putting the armrest is quite tricky, so be careful not to break it. Flipping the keyboard upside down, we have these two clips for height adjustment and then these two foams sticking on both sides. This foam is quite smooth and it doesn't really do the job in sticking the computer onto the table. The wire is not detachable, so once it wears out, you can't replace it. Here's some keyboard ASMR. Plugging this keyboard, you will be created with this kind of effect. You can change the effect by clicking the FN+SL key. Here is some of the effects. Also, you can change the speed of the keyboard by clicking the FN and the left or right arrow key. The left arrow key will make the effects slower and the right arrow key will make the effects go faster. I will put the other command later in the video. For the ghosting test, I tried clicking several keys at the same time. It registered all the keys without a problem. Here's some also gameplay. Here is my overall conclusion.